Good morning, students. In the last video, we started the new chapter of our syllabus, that is circle, and we already learned about the circle, definition of the circles, and the various part of the circle like diameter, radius, chord, center, etc. So you can see here we have the diagram. Like here we have a circle. This center point, the name of the point is O, that is called center. And if we have a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle, that is called chord. So in our this diagram we have two chords, ST and segment AB. And if a chord is passing through the center, that is also called diameter. A line segment joining 2 points on the circle and passing through the center, that is called diameter. Next we have if any 1 point on the circle is joining with the center, that is called radius. So we can see over here we have the three radius OC, OB, OA. So as because these all three are joining one point on the circle with the center of the circle. So this way we are learn the various part of the circle. Now we are going to learn how we are going to do the construction of the circle, how we can draw the circle by the given measurement of the radius. So first we have to take that measurement in our rounder, and by using that we can use that. Here we have a rounder, and with the help of scale we are going to measure that given radius, so we can draw that circle. So let's see. Before we start, I have to once again recall that how we are going to use this scale. You can see on this scale we have, like, if you are you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 this way. So whenever we want to measure 2 centimeter, so always start from 0. Most of the people are starting from 1 to 10, 1 to 2. So that is wrong. Always whatever measurement is given, we have to start from 0 and measure till what we want to measure. Like if you want to measure 2 centimeter, just measure it 2 centimeter. Yes. So let's see how we can draw the circle. So here we are going to start the problem set number 28. Question number 1. Draw circles with the ready given below. Here we have the radius of the few circles and we want to draw that circle. The first one is 2 centimeter. So for making the construction of the circle easier, we should never going to measure by using the scale. What we have to do, first we have to draw this 2 centimeter over the side anywhere. We have to use 2 centimeter from 0 to 2. This way we have drawn a line. Now I have to measure this line segment by the rounder. You can see by using this we can measure it. Yes, the same measure we adjust that. Then we have to put that circle, put a center and just rotate a rounder like that. So this way we will get our circle. So suppose here we have the center. So what we have to do, just draw a line segment from the center to the joining a point on the circle. Write down the name O A, that is 2 centimeter. This way we are going to draw the circle. The next we have 3 centimeter. So again we have to draw a line segment of 3 centimeter. Yes, we draw. Now again we have to measure this line segment in our rounder. So this way we measure. Now here put a center, and by using the rounder on that center, this way we can draw a circle. Now once again, this center we have to match any one point on the circle like this and give the name. Here P is a center, then Q, that is 3 centimeter. This way we have to draw the radius of the given circle. The next we have, this is the first one, second one and third one. Here we have the radius, 4 centimeter, radius 3 centimeter, radius 2 centimeter. First we have to write what the radius we want. Put the circle over here and draw a line segment of 4 centimeter this way. Now once again we have to measure that measurement in our rounder this way. At the one end we have to take a point of our pencil, and at the another end we have to take a pointed point of our rounder and put on the center what we drawn, and just rotate it like that. We have to make a circle. So this way we can draw a circle. Again we have to match this radius with the help of scale to any one point on the circle, and S T, give the name. This is 4 centimeter. So this way we can draw a circle by using the given measurement of the radius. Once again, we have this scale, just draw the line with the help of scale, whatever measurement of the radius is given. By that we can take a rounder, take the same measurement in our rounder. One end point of the line segment is at the pointed point of the rounder, and at the another point we have put the point of the pencil. Take that distance, make a center, and putting the rounder on that center we can draw the circle. Now we have the question number 2 of the same problem set. You can see over here, draw a circle of any radius. So one diameter, one radius and one chord on that circle. So here we want to draw a circle with the help of any of the, with our choice we can take any of the radius. So first we have to take a circle. So put the center over here, and now we don't have any foundation to take any of the radius, so we can randomly draw by ourselves. Put that and draw a circle. This way we can draw the circle. Now we have to show one diameter. First, one diameter we want to show. Diameter is what? A line segment joining any 2 points on the circle but passing through the center. So we can draw over here. This way our center is O, suppose. So A, B. This segment AEB is the diameter. So write it over here. Diameter is equal to segment AB we can write. Now again we want to show a radius. OB, OA also a radius, but we have to just show one separate, that is a line segment joining a center to any one point on the circle, that is S. So segment OS also a radius. Here we have radius, segment OS, segment OA, segment OB, as because these all three are the radius. Now next we have to show one chord. Chord means a line segment which is joining any 2 point P, Q on the circle. That line segment is called the chord. So write it here. Chord is equal to segment PQ, and AB also biggest chord of a circle, so segment AB. This way. Now just show it in this diagram, like make an arrow like this. This is a radius, what we learned earlier. This is diameter. This is chord. And also we have to show, they didn't ask then also, that is the point O is the center. So this way we can solve the question number 2 by drawing this circle, and we can show that the chord, center, radius and diameter within that. So the next concept is that the relation between radius and diameter. If we have the radius of the circle, so how we can find out the diameter? Or if we have the diameter, so how we can find out the radius? So means we are going to learn regarding diameter, that is denoted by D, and radius, that is denoted by R. What is the relation between these two parts of the circle? So if you can see, here I have a cutout of circle. So as per our information, what we learn at, what is the diameter? Diameter is a line segment joining any 2 points of the circle passing through the center. In this cutout, I have a cutout of the circle, and in this we have a center O. Yes, center O is here, and there is 2 line segments passing through this center O. This black one and this red one. These both are called a diameter. And if we say what is the radius? Radius is what? A line segment joining any one point on the circle to the center. That is called radius. So if I am talking about this O, red line, if I make like this half of the circle, so here we have the center O and this one point on the circle, so this is making a radius. The same way, if I set this black one, O to this point also making a circle, making a center, so these are called the radius. Now what is the relation between these two? If I say this black line is the diameter of the circle, I make a half of that, that will become radius. So one half and this the another half will become complete diameter. Can we say 2 radius is equal to 1 diameter? Yes? Yes. So if we can say 2 radius is equal to 1 diameter, 2 radius is equal to 1 diameter. So 2 radius means 2 into R is equal to 1 diameter means D. This will become our first formula. If we have the R, we want to find out the D, that we can multiply the radius with the 2, will get the easily the diameter of that circle. And let's take this 2 to the another hand side. So if R is equal to 2 is here with the multiplication sign, will move to the another side, will become denominator. So if we are talking about the R, so how we can find it? If we have the diameter that is divided by 2, we will get easily R. So as because in our cutout you can see this diameter is divided by 2 means 1 and 2 part, we got that radius. or if we have the radius, we multiply by 2, means 1 and 2 radius, we got the diameter. This way we can generate our this formula. By using that we can find the value of the missing figure, whether the radius or the diameter. This way we can find it out. So on the basis of this concept, let's start problem set number 29. Solve the following. Question number 1. If the radius of the circle is given 5 cm, what will its diameter be? So what we have in the sum, first always write down. So let's start. We have the 5 cm is what? That is the radius. So radius R is equal to 5 cm. What we want to find out, that is diameter. Diameter, that is D, we want to find out. That is the question mark. Because D is equal to 2 into R. Therefore D is equal to 2 into R we have, that is 5. So therefore D is equal to 5 to the 10 centimeter. That is nothing else. Now we have to write the answer. In the form they are asking what will its diameter be. So its diameter be 10 centimeter. If the radius is 5 centimeter, diameter be 10 centimeter. Now come for the sum number 2. In the second sum we have, if a diameter of a circle is given 6 centimeter, what will its radius be? So the same way, let's start. What we have, first write it down. That is the diameter, that is denoted by D is equal to, we have 6 centimeter. What we want to find out, that is radius. R is equal to question mark. Now because we know the formula, R is equal to D upon 2. Therefore R is equal to, D is how much? 6 upon 2. So we should do the cancellation. 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. So therefore R is equal to 3 centimeter. Now we have to write the answer in the form what they are asking. Its radius be 3 centimeter. Its radius be 3 centimeter. This way we have to conclude our answer. Means if you are if you are paying attention over here, so you can come to know here diameter is half of the, radius is half of the diameter. Here also we have relation between these two. If diameter is 6, radius become half, that is 3. If radius is 3, diameter become twice, that is 6. So this way we can do the relation between these two. Diameter is twice of the radius and radius is half of the diameter. So on the basis of that we have the question number 2. Complete the following table by filling in the blank. We have the radius 4 centimeter and diameter missing. Diameter we have, radius we want to find it out. So let's do it. As I said, diameter is twice of radius. Twice means multiply by 2. So here let's start. The first one, radius is equal to 4 centimeter. Diameter is equal to question mark. Because we learn the formula, D is equal to 2 into R. Therefore D is equal to 2 into 4. D is equal to 8 centimeter. Means here the diameter become 8 centimeter. This way let's solve one more. The second one, here we have the diameter is equal to 16 centimeter. We want to find out the radius is equal to question mark. So because R is equal to D upon 2, therefore R is equal to 16 upon 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16. R is equal to 8 centimeter. So therefore here radius will become 8 centimeter. So you can see how we got these two values by solving this way. So the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the homework for you. You have to solve this way. After that only you have to fill the boxes to finding the radius and diameter. So this way today we learn about the relation between the radius and diameter, how we can find out the what we want if we have the one value. If we have the radius, how we can find the diameter, and if we have the diameter, how we can find the radius. As well as we learn to draw, to construct the circle by using the given radius in the question. The next thing we will continue in the next video. Thank you so much.